trip, and we are headed back to Vegas. All right, after many hours of driving, we're back in Vegas. Yay! We are dirty and exhausted, and we're going to take a shower and then maybe a nap and maybe go swimming. It's very hot. Bye. Man, so much light. We're headed to the pool. Even though we just checked into the hotel, Ariel really wanted to get in the pool, and she's been a trooper on this trip, so we are gonna go and swim in the pool just for a little bit. It's can you see that? Anyway, it's nearly 8 o'clock. So we came to the pool and it's closed. Oh, look, there's a slide right there, and then you swim through fish. That's kind of cool. Morning. Last night we went to the pool and the pool was closed. So it is 9 o'clock in the morning and we're going to the pool because we have to check out at 11. It's early.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop the traffic light. If I figure out where it goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for
Going to do it again.
highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
It was awesome, and when you look to the side, you just saw fish, and when you look to the other side, you saw fish.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it was so awesome. I couldn't really see them the first time. I saw like glimpses of them because there was water all in my eyes.
But the second time you saw him?
Yeah, because I was sitting upright, and I was like, woo!
Even if the sky is falling down,
I would totally think that we were outside. Yeah, especially on this camera, but we're actually inside. There's just clouds on the ceiling, and it makes it look like you're outside in like an open mall thing.
jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up.
We're gonna look at the pretty flowers. It's the conservatory at the Bellagio. We'll post a picture of Ariel the last time she was here right now. Was that pretty? Time to go. Our one night in Vegas is over. We ate We played, we slept, we showered. Now it's time to go. Plan today is to hang out in Vegas until later and then head back to California. That's where we're going. Oh, thank you. We're still looking for it. But this place is really pretty. I think I like this one better than the Caesar's Palace. We found it!
We found it. We found it. Yep, there's cake.
My soul, you've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and almost still could feel the void.
The window's really, really high.
We can go over there and see the pictures.
Huh?
We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow.
This is so good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
That was good. If you ever come here, it's so good.
How did they paint up there?
Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we?
It would be even more fun if they were faster and they were like steeper.
First community day I did was
So this is the promenade at the Link, and I definitely recommend coming here rather than going to Fremont Street. It's much more family friendly. And it's very cool. And there's a huge, huge Ferris wheel. There's In-N-Out, Sprinkles, lots of restaurants, pubs, bars. There's even a zip line. Ew.
slider,
Mac and cheese balls.
cheese balls, tomatoes, lime, celery, radish, and corn
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, fake game, staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right.
Time to eat. We chose to come to the Rainforest Cafe to eat because it's fun. Oh my goodness, it's good. What if the plants come alive? Oh my goodness, what is going on? Whoa.
Three of us, correct?
Ariel. That was so good. Did you like it?
Yes. These shoes are really slippery. Nobody else is slipping.
Wait, are we going the right way? Is that the kitchen? How did we get in here?
What is happening? She's making me dizzy. What is she doing?
Ariel went into the fish shark pool slide, and I'm waiting for her to come out, right? Right there. She's still going. Come on. Ariel.
Stop.